How to switch account on Facebook. Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel, and on this video I will show you how you can switch account on Facebook. So without further ado, let's get started with this video. First of all, launch the Facebook application in your mobile device. After that, if you have already added multiple Facebook accounts, and here's how you can switch your account. Once you're on your home page, navigate to top right corner. There is a profile icon with a 3-line icon, tap on it. That's gonna take you to your mini page. As you can see at the top of this page with your profile name, there is a drop down right here, tap on it. Now from this drop down, you can select the account that you would like to switch into. Tap on login into another account, and from here these are all the accounts that you have already logged into. So simply select your account that you want to switch into, and then you'll be logged or switched into your preferred account. But in case if you have not added any other account, then what you have to do is once you're here, simply tap on log out, and once you're logged out, on the login screen again, tap on add account and then enter your login credentials and then log in. Now you can switch between your accounts at the login screen. That's it. That's how you switch account on Facebook, and that's all for today's video. Hope this video was helpful, and if you're new to our channel, consider subscribing. Thanks for watching and stay tuned for more videos.